Hart, and here is an episode of That's Awesome. So what I want to talk about today, it's probably not what you're going to think. It's probably something you think I would complain about. But this is just an observation. It appears to me as if in the past couple years, people have gotten better with driving on their cell phones. What do I mean by that? I'm glad you asked. What I mean by that is basically there's no hope for us not to be addicted to our cell phones, right? I mean, obviously it would be better for everybody to just leave their phones in their glove box or, turned off while they're driving or some shit like that. We all know that's never going to happen until the communist government outlaws them and we have nothing but manna and bread to eat. Just kidding. That'll never happen, but it probably will. So somewhere in the last couple of years, I've just noticed that there's less swerving. There's still swerving. Hell yeah. I mean, it's kind of like very rare that you will get on the road and drive anywhere and not see somebody swerving because they're on the phone. Now, what I have noticed is improvements in people's reaction times at stoplights, people's patience with people stopped at green lights, and just a general slight uptick. Still down from like 10 years ago, way down, right? But just we have a nice little reprieve where we're getting a little bit better at awareness and driving with our cell phones. Probably because they've basically formed around our brains and become a part of us. They're just detached from our body. But anyways, this is a positive video. So, hey, humans out there on the road, I really appreciate you for that. And there's also just a little bit more patience. I like the fact that hey, I can be at a red light and then the light turns green. And then there's usually a 3-second delay before somebody starts honking. Usually, right? Because we all understand, hey, I was scrolling Instagram while I was at the stoplight. Hey, I was just checking my text messages. Hey, I was just watching a Pornhub video real quick at the light. Hopefully you're not doing that. That's too distracting. But there's a little bit more patience there, and I appreciate that. I have a little bit more patience, and I see other people having it. And I'll just give it that. Hey, I know you're on your phone, man. I know you're hopelessly addicted just like me. Boop, boop. Thanks. Okay. Yeah, we're on our way. That's cool. So I really appreciate that. So keep it up. Hopefully we can get to the point to where we maybe do have our cell phones integrated into our brain, and they're just like our sixth sense now. And we will be even better at driving. But I just want to say